house of toys.
That's in basically a week and a half. Meanwhile, Dallas, they're at Chicago next Thursday with that game on NFL Network, and then you see the rest of the slate game. Well, initially,
I like it.
it looked real good for Dallas.
Go ahead. The birdies.
But yet, they play great on the road. They have
Look.
problems have been
So they, yeah, so you put the Janae. So you put the birdies in and out of the house. How neat. How it goes? Yeah. How yeah. This part when you're a little bit older. Put the birdies in. Put the birdies in the house. And you had one like this, Renee. And we put them in. And
You got from Auntie Kristen. I
yep,
remember.
and in and out, in and out. What are your favorite toys? Fun.
And then when she got even older and she could talk, she used to play with them.
How cute.
All these toys are bigger than me.
Close.
Just wait. It won't be long.
Is that Seahawks?
Playing. Oh, she plays. She loves to play. Thank you. You are welcome. We had so much fun shopping. We could have brought another 5 or 6 toys. I know. It's yeah, the toy stores.
It's a movie, honey. You can talk.
Birdie?
You want to be on YouTube? Mr. B-Lot?
Oh,
You want to be on YouTube?
sure. Oh, this is a video?
Yes, ma'am, and I have a YouTube account.
Hello! Okay, I'm already on YouTube. I can relax. I guess we're gonna do Whoa!
Right, wait, let me get Kyle. You look like your dad.
You got the birdies?
What's it mean, Daddy? Let go?
Well, I'm going to have to get back for that.
You got the birdies?
Have fun. Adri's very first Christmas present. Given to her by her cousins. How sweet. On Thanksgiving Day. And Grandpa's got a frown on his face. Okay, gotcha, sweetie. Go ahead.
Thanksgiving. We welcome you inside the main portion of our production drop here in Kingstown. Here's our producer.
Okay, there's one person that's not in this very much, and that's Tiffany. Thank you so much for the gifts.
We had so much fun picking them out.
Oh.
Our pleasure. Absolutely.
Look at me! Look at me!
I can't swing the camera around that fast, sweetie. But I got you doing it.
She can't turn that fast. She'll get dizzy and fall down.
Well, it wouldn't make a good video. And let's get the kitchen cleaner back there. Oop.